Recently, New York has been cracking down on car meets. Whether it's a takeover,
police target illegal street takeovers,
or a park and chill.
Incidents of these illegal car meetups, for arrests, burnouts, racing each other, and
It is illegal unless permitted. And to make this even crazier, I'll be taking my Camaro, which doesn't have a registration or an inspection sticker yet, to one of these illegal car meets. But before we go, she needs a good wash. With the snap of a finger, she's clean. I then sprayed this on just to give it more of a shine. Meet started at 1 o'clock. Right now it is 1:47. It's not too far away. Still a little late though. Oh, a tunnel. I think it's down this road. I could bet you there's gonna be a bunch of cops. Neymar, bro! Yeah! Oh yeah, here we go. Damn, those are clean. Yo. Even when getting there, there were 3 cops making sure nothing got out of hand. Oh, we got the bikes too. Damn, the bike showed up today. Look at all these. What's up, man? I think I'm gonna park like right here. Made it 1 hour late. This thing is a beast. Let's look at this lineup over here. We got the teal Mercedes, dude.
Hey.
You haven't seen it yet?
Nah.
Got that V8. The headlights are my favorite part. You see like they're like rings. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa.
You want pictures of your car?
Yeah, I don't mind. Yeah, you can go ahead. That'd be cool. Wait, come up here, come up here. With the scooter. Place the rubber on the handlebar like right here. God, you made it. It's a... Yo, damn. As the bikers started to leave, I noticed that this quote-unquote illegal car meet was going way too smoothly. And what this guy, and also everyone in that parking lot, didn't know is things were about to take a drastic turn. Damn, look at that pipe. Yo, the stunt bikes, bro. Yo, I like the YZ, dude. It's sick. It's the real stunt bike right here. Damn. Mad shine. As more cars came in, this meetup was about to get real expensive. Oh, and they're blocking everywhere. We're just chilling. They're blocking everyone in. Right as the meet was getting good, the police blocked every entrance and exit so no one could get out. But my goal, I was gonna get out. I'm gonna try and leave, dude. I'm not messing with this. I don't know what's going on. Wish me luck. Oh no. He's asking for a license. They all just came out of nowhere. Oh no. He's gonna ticket him. We did nothing. Oh, he's coming towards me now. Hello.
How are you?
How are you?
Let me get your license, registration, and insurance for the car.
Do you mind if I ask why?
Well, because we had a car meet. You can't
Yeah.
be here.
What?
It's not permitted, nothing like that at all. You guys had filed with the state park police to be here. Like
Yeah.
that. You didn't do me a favor as well, rev your exhaust real quick.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. This is outrageous. Outrageous.
All right. Let me run everything real quick, and we'll see what we can do. All right. Just hang tight for a bit.
As he went to run my license, all I could think about is how dangerous or illegal parking in a parking lot and looking at cars really is. I had so many questions right until I met this officer. Would you know when I would get that back?
Soon. We have a lot of vehicles here. We have.
Yeah. Do you know what's like why everyone's getting stopped? Like what's the actual like lawful?
Well, the lawful reason?
Yeah.
We're illegally having an unpermitted event on the state park property. They alerted us, and then we can do vehicle safety checkpoints.
Got it.
I'm tasked with these events, and I'm going to sound like a broken record, but they're proliferating at a rate that's unsustainable.
Yeah.
And we have to get a hold of it just for the safety of everybody involved. But I would advise you not to go to them, because this is
I don't want this to happen
This is
again.
aggressively how we're gonna handle it.
Yeah.
If the state police weren't here, this would have been a disaster. But you know as well as I do, if they weren't sitting here, it would have been even worse.
Oh yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
I agree with
And we
you.
gotta
Yeah.
stop them.
Yeah.
That's your point now. What's your name?
Jay.
Jay.
Yeah. Good to meet you. Thanks for being cool.
Since
he said it was getting popular, I was wondering the difference from now to a year ago.
It's become a lot more noticeable, and it's become a problem. And I'm the supervisor tasked to go to these events,
Yeah.
and I'm good at my job.
How do you find out about them?
What's that?
How do you find
State
out about the
called us.
meets? The state.
The state called us. Hey, we have 85 cars here,
Oh wow.
so we're the unit that gets notified.
Yeah. Do you know how the state finds out?
I
Just
guess they rolled up on you guys.
yeah. Cause I know there's like park rangers here
Yeah.
and whatnot. Oh, this is OD, bro. It's. I hope not. I don't know. He came and like talked to me. Thank you. He came and talked to me, and he was saying that they have like a task force for this stuff.
I found out that they have an AI account on Instagram that scans all posts.
Oh, yeah.
You have an Instagram for this.
Yeah.
Yeah, you had a Nissan before.
Yeah, I did see.
you showed me your
You
car.
see
You
me?
know, it's-
That's crazy.
I remember this Camaro. I'm like, dude, I remember seeing this somewhere. Go back to my bike.
All right. Good luck,
What's your
bro.
name?
Jay, good to
John.
meet you, dude.
Y'all. Good luck.
See ya.
All right, but here's the deal. You're all good.
All right.
Everything all checked out. The temp tag. Everything all checks out for.
Cool.
Just don't come back to these events anymore.
Okay.
all right? Yep.
Thank you for being chill. I really appreciate it. Hey, let me shake your hand again. I really appreciate you for being real with me.
Yeah. Listen, this is my job. Yeah. As an adult who's been through a lot of things, I have a duty in my life to give good advice and information to kids and to make your life better. And you get nothing out of being disrespectful.
Exactly. Yeah. I want to go check up on these other people. See how they feel about this. Nice car, dude. Good luck. It's a shame, bro. No, I got out. I mean, I didn't really have anything illegal on my car, but I had a Camaro.
Oh, the black one.
Yeah.
Nice.
Thank you. Is this yours? Clean, dude. What's your name?
Nice to meet you, man.
I'm Jay. Good to meet you. They're all over the place. This thing's nice too. Ah, he's getting an exhaust ticket. I already see them holding tickets. Ah, dude, that sucks. Damn, bro. After talking to that officer, I found out that they have a special task force to stop these
I'm
meets.
tasked with these events, and we have to get a hold of it.
And that they also have an AI to detect where and when these meets will happen.
I found out that they have an AI account on Instagram.
That scans all posts.
And with all this info, the next day I went undercover to another meet to really see how much crime there is. It's day 2. We're on the way to the meet. All right, I parked the car here. The car meet's all the way down there, so I gotta walk. I just can't risk anything happening, especially what happened yesterday. So let's go walk over to the meet and see really how bad NY car meets are. Apparently supposed to be a couple cars inside. This already seems pretty packed. Nice M2. This is not bad. As I headed inside, there were a ton of cool cars. Look at this lineup. We got this nice all-black Ferrari. This truck was also pretty sick. And one of my favorite sections, the Supra with the motorcycle in the back. I've never seen a Mustang with a wrap like this. And next to it, this cool R1, I think. Yeah. Yo, I parked it across the street though, cause like, were you guys at the meet yesterday?
Yeah, I did right before they.
Bro, I was there for an hour. I didn't get any tickets or nothing, but the guy had my license for an hour, bro.
We sat there for almost 2 hours waiting for them to.
Nah, yeah. See, there's nothing bad going on over here. As I was walking around, I learned that this was a permitted event, so it wasn't quote-unquote illegal like yesterday's meet. But to be completely real, it was the same situation like last time. Bunch of cars parked up and a lot of people admiring them. It just happens to be unlawful because it wasn't permitted, so the cops were handing out tickets left and right. Unfortunately, I believe they may not see the good side to this. The cops don't see the good side like this. They only see the people doing dumb stuff. So even though this one's permitted, it's gonna be doing the same thing at a non-permitted car meet. When people leave here, it's actually be kind of fun because there's a long highway. It's awesome that, you know, the New York car community is able to come together and throw something like this and actually have some people show up. Look at this lineup though, pretty good. I like how the Ferrari's inside too. That thing's sick. Yo, that G. Some other cool cars pulled up. These things, I bet they're super fast. But at the end of the day, it's really just people trying to chill and not really causing a problem. I don't see any problem with revving engines as long as it's like not in a neighborhood. But there are laws and there are regulations that citizens have to follow to have these types of cars, and also to throw car meets too. I wish it wasn't as hot as cops may think it is. It's really just people chilling. At the end of the day, police are just doing their job, trying to keep everyone safe, and some car meets fall victim. In this video, I went to a quote-unquote illegal car meet, then went undercover as a spectator to another meet to see how much crime there really is. Thank you so much for watching, and see you later.